Hi everyone, this is 𝗂𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗂𝐿𝐴. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about law of attraction and how to manifest your desires. But before we get started, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as that is a zero-cost way for you to show your support for this channel, especially if you are interested in such topics. That would also help me create more of these videos that you like, and it will help the YouTube algorithm to show these videos to more like-minded people. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. The law of attraction is a powerful force that can help you create the life you want. And it's based on the idea that like attracts like. Or in other words, the energy that you put out into the world is what you will attract back into your life. So how can you use the law of attraction to manifest your desires? Here are few very simple steps that you can start taking right now. The first step is to get clear on what you want to manifest. This can be anything from a new job to a relationship to financial abundance. The key is to be specific and to focus on what you truly desire rather than what you think you should want. The second step is to believe that you can have it. And this could be the hardest step for some people, and I totally understand. And this can be challenging, especially if you have been struggling to manifest your desires for quite some time. Also, if you have some limiting beliefs about yourself. However, this is also the most important step, and it is important to believe that it is possible and to trust the universe that it will deliver what you need. The third step is to visualize what you want. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and desires. Take some time each day to visualize yourself having what you want. Imagine how it feels, how it looks, how it affects your life. The more you can immerse yourself in the feeling of having what you want, the more likely it is to manifest in your life. The fourth step is to take action. Manifestation is not just about thinking positively and waiting for things to happen. You also need to take action to bring your desires into reality. This could be anything from sending out job applications to taking a class to improve your skills. The key is to take action that aligns with your desires and to trust that the universe will support you. Step 5 is practice gratitude. Finally, it's important to practice gratitude for what you already have in your life. The more you focus on what you are grateful for, the more abundance you will attract into your life. Take some time each day to think about the things you are grateful for and watch as your life begins to fill with even more blessings. And there you have it. These are the 5 simple steps that you can start taking starting right now to manifest your desires with the law of attraction. Remember, the key is to stay positive, be patient, and trust that the universe is going to bring what you need. Thanks for watching this video and good luck on your manifesting journey. If you like this video, then you might also like watching my other video on manifestation right here. Also, just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, then subscribe to this channel. Like it, share this video with your friends and family who might also benefit from this topic, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.